I have taken this 99.9% isopropyl and I'm going to sanitize it first. Ouch. I'm not blind, I can see. Let's do this step once again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how do I shave my face. So before showing you live demonstration, I want to answer some frequently asked questions. So the first question is it safe for our skin? The answer is it is absolutely safe. I have been doing facial shaving since 2 years, I guess, or even more than 2 years. So yes, it is absolutely safe. Second, will the growth is going to be rapid? So the answer is no. The growth is going to be according to the growth of your hair. So as you have seen, some people's hair, it grow very fast, and in some cases it grows slow. So it totally depends upon your hair growth speed, and it vary from person to person. In my case, I have observed that my eyebrows grow fast as compared to hand hair, so it will vary. Third question is, will it cost fire in your pocket? So the answer is no, not at all. In fact, it is the most affordable option that is available in the market. And fourth question is it painful? The answer is no, not at all. It is not at all painful. But yes, you need to be very careful if you have just started shaving your face. Next question that I really want to answer, what is the difference between shaving and waxing? See, in case of waxing, the growth is going to be slow, of course, because in waxing, the wax pulls hair. In case of shaving, it does not pull your hair, in fact it cut down. So that's why the growth is going to be fast as compared to waxing if we will talk about shaving. So these are some questions. If you have more questions, don't forget to comment down below. I would love to answer these for you. And now let's see live demonstration. So let's start. So first step is going to be sanitizing our facial razor. This step I have not seen so many people doing it, but I will highly recommend you to do this. So it will ensure the safety for your skin. So I am using here 99.9% isopropyl. You can easily get it from Amazon, and I'm going to sanitize it. You need to wait couple of minutes. Now we are going to do our second step. The next step, you need to take either aloe vera gel or you can take any cleansing oil. You need to apply it. For today's video, I'm going to take aloe vera gel, and you need to take good amount of aloe vera gel and just apply it on your face. I will never recommend you to direct use your facial razor without applying aloe vera gel or facial oil, because there is a high chances that you are going to get cut on your skin. So just apply it. For the third step, you need to take your facial razor. Instead of putting it directly, just try to glide it from upward to downward direction. I'm going to show you, that will make more sense. There are two things that I want you to consider while shaving your face. The first thing is, always start from the above part of face, as you can see in the video. And second thing is, always start in small section. Don't be in hurry. As you can see, I have acne prone skin. I have active acne. Never ever put your razor close to your acne, because it will leave stubborn mark. Now I'm doing my upper lip. The process is going to be same. First I will apply aloe vera gel, and then I will start in small section. Can you see I have just put my tongue, so I will get a flat surface to save. I hope it is visible in the video, and that will make more sense. So you need to do the same thing. Try to stretch your face. It will ensure that you will not leave any hair and you will not cut your face. Can you see the way I am making my face? I know it looks funny, but it ensures that I will have smooth skin. It helps us to remove the dead skin cell from our face. it gives us clear skin. So if you want to try something, shaving is the safest option that you can try. Now after shaving my face, I am going to apply the same aloe vera gel because my face is having little sensation because of shaving, nothing too serious. So to calm down my face, I am going to apply the same aloe vera gel, and that is going to be our last step, and we are done with the face shaving. I hope the video was helpful for you. In case it was, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave your beautiful comment. I would love to read it and would love to reply it. We are going to meet super soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.